Landed. It's literally, what time is it? 4:20 a.m. morning, and we just landed to Lagos, Nigeria. Yeah. She's here. She's finally fulfilled, you know, for the first time.
I'm fulfilled.
She's fulfilled.
I was born for this.
I'm ready to sign up to the test.
I'm ready for another level.
I don't feel like sleeping anymore, you know. Guys, I swear to God, when you step out from the airport, yeah, I promise you, you just smell Nigeria. That's what it's not even like everything is different. The air, the atmosphere, it's not the hit.
We haven't felt the full effect yet.
Yeah, because it's still one. So you know,
yeah.
Because last time I came, I tell you the hit slapped me when I stepped. The slap I received, guys, it was great. But yeah, we're going to immigration. Yeah, that. To make sure we don't have
her passport is very different from yours.
She has a Norwegian passport. When they say Norwegian people go that way, I be like, peace.
Peace for where?
I be like, peace.
Yes, I meet twins.
I be like, when you get to where you're going, tell me. As my father said, make your way back to where you're going to.
You're the one that brought
Two of us start crying.
You brought me.
Let me pay for a ticket.
You pay for a ticket.
Let me pay for a ticket. Let me pay for a ticket. It was actually great. It's me that was looking for travel. But yeah, let's quickly check out and then I'll see you guys back here later. Jesus, my makeup looks horrid. We just got to Nigeria. There's no light, but obviously we had to put on the gen. This is, you know, adapting. She took her wig off. Her wig is off, so she's trying to find something to just put on and sleep. Because we have to be up like very soon actually. I wish I could flip my camera, you're right.
Of course, you value your life.
But yeah, we have to go to bed. And I will check out with you guys now and I will see you back here tomorrow. Well, later today actually, so peace out. How do you feel the first time in Nigeria? How do you feel? She feels happy. She feels great.
I never expected the heat.
The heat is like crazy. And I'm not even kidding you guys, like it's crazy. We are tempted to when they come today. It will melt off. It will melt off. Because there's no point. It will just melt. But it's literally like basic foundation. Yeah, we're quickly going to the office to sort some stuff out because I'm wearing the same shirt because all my stuff is like rumpled and ain't nobody got time to go rumple stuff. So we're gonna go get some stuff from probably shop, right? I don't know. I don't know in Lagos. But yeah, we're gonna go to the office to meet my dad and see what's good. So I'll see you guys back here in a bit. Yeah. I forgot the selfie stick to use and film. My cousin came to take me to Ezeanaka.
How you doing?
I was picturing you fine trip. But yeah. Mama for the gods. Oh, happy. Can you come up on my vlog, please? Look at that. I don't know. Say hello to my people.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
This will end up on YouTube, guys.
Hello.
Just so you know.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
This is my family. See them. They're all fine people. We have fine blood. 10 of them. And all of them on sale. So if you want any of them, just give us price.
I'm still on sale.
I can arrange. Look at the new addition to the family. She's so
MC my friend.
Oh, fair. That's the crease. That's the crease. That's the crease.
Jangan kru, baby.
She's so cute. Yeah.
Nah, you want alarm?
That's the dad, that's the mom. She shall find past the dad, Sha. Can you come out from their picture now? Are you included in the marriage? The marriage. Take your pictures. Say hello. Say hey, girl. How you doing? I'm okay. This is cake broom. No, only on the chair.